This morning, the committee recommended a budget approval for the procurement of low emissions vehicles, including hybrid plug-ins, and fully electric vehicles to replace 14 traditional sedans with low emissions models. There's 5 departments replacing sedans this year, again 14 total vehicles. They're used for a variety of uses, so the health department uses it to transport patients, the planning department may use it for site inspections, Division of Transportation would use theirs to go to transportation projects, road projects, so they are used for a variety of reasons. The estimate is over the 14 vehicles over their estimated 8-year lifespan that there'll be a 72% reduction in tailpipe emissions and approximately $40,000 in fuel savings. We have approximately 570 total fleet vehicles. Some of those are specialized vehicles, so difficult to replace with low emissions. But from this year forward, our plan is to routinely meet with departments that are replacing sedans or small SUVs and identify options to go with low emissions routes to continue to reduce the county's carbon footprint.